All right, y'all. Candace here with Forking Delicious and my partner in crime, Wayne from FaithandFitnessPlus. Go check out his channel. We are gonna make some Forking Delicious leftover Thanksgiving turkey cranberry sliders.
Ta-da!
Yes. So I have my cranberry sauce from another recipe you guys can go check out, and then he has his turkey recipe on his channel, which is FaithandFitnessPlus again, if you don't remember. All right, so I already pre-cut our what are they called? Hawaiian rolls. And we're gonna put these in a reusable pan. And then we're gonna add a turkey layer. I'll let Wayne help me with this.
I'll do the turkey because I made it. It's fantabulous. Oh yeah.
Where's our cheese? Oh. And we have the cheese coming in from the back.
What kind of cheese is that?
Havarti cheese.
What? Love me some Havarti.
Love me some cheese. I got a piece of turkey off the side. That was like the perfect amount. You're gonna take about 8 ounces of turkey. And then you're gonna layer this with Havarti cheese.
Layer.
I just got a huge block from Trader Joe's, so I just chopped it up into like thin slices.
Oh, look at there.
And I like mine extra cheesy, so add extra cheese. Crisscross applesauce. All right,
You got some left.
Yep. And then we're gonna take about a half a cup of the cranberry sauce from my recipe and layer it over the top. Oh, yes.
This is gonna be very, very interesting.
It's gonna be very delicious.
Very deliciously interesting.
I'm losing some cheese. We're gonna place this on top of the finished product, I should say. And then we're gonna make a little dipping sauce. We're gonna do 1 teaspoon of the everything but the bagel seasoning. If it's over a little bit, that's fine.
Worcestershire.
A half teaspoon of the Worcestershire. How do you say that word? Worcestershire?
Worcestershire.
Does anyone actually know how to say that word? Do English people know how to say that word? A tablespoon of the Dijon? Dijon. I'm going to use this knife to kind of level it off.
No level. Lots of Dijon.
I don't know.
No, she says no. She's the expert.
We do need a little spoon though.
Little spoon.
To mix all this up. Got the Dijon going.
Little spoon.
Oh my gosh, Dijon without like honey or something.
Dijon.
And then we're going to do 2 teaspoons of brown sugar.
Brown sugar. Y'all know about that brown sugar.
I got a lot of the sugar. And then we're going to mix this up. We're going to do a 1/4 cup of melted butter.
Butter.
Added in there.
We say butter in the South.
Butter. And I'm going to let Wayne baste this puppy on. You're going to baste it over the top of the buns.
Wayne loves to brush stuff. I just brushed Evangeline's hair earlier.
Shot of the turkey cranberry sliders. Pour these with aluminum foil and cook them on 350 degrees. In case you didn't hear what the rep, 350 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. So you're gonna take these out and take the aluminum foil off, and then you're gonna bake it for like another 5 minutes. Pop it back in the oven so they get nice and toasty on top. I'm gonna take a bite.
That's disgusting.
These are good. Delicious. Forking delicious.
Yeah. Forking disgusting. It's forking disgusting.
Check it out.
To me.
The cheese is oozing out with the sweet cranberries.
Super
Wait, there's
cheesy.
On the juicy turkey that I made.
There's cheese?
Take some extra turkey.
I thought you were full.
Pop it in there.
Oh my goodness.
I thought you were full.
So good, y'all. Highly recommend for your after Thanksgiving leftovers.
Oh yeah.
All right, y'all. We'll see you later.
Stay blessed. Stay strong.